Welcome. If you're looking to change the language of your Google Drive, you're in the right place. Whether you're learning a new language, moving to a new country, or just want your Google experience in your preferred tongue, updating your language settings is simple and only takes a few moments. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open any Google app on your device. This could be Google Drive, Gmail, or even Google Search. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap on your profile photo. This brings up your account menu, where you'll want to select Manage your Google account. Inside your Google account, you'll see several tabs at the top or side. Find and tap on either Data and Personalization or Personal Info, depending on your device or app version. Both options will lead you to the settings you need. Scroll down until you find the Language section. This is where you can view and change the language that Google uses across all its services, including Google Drive. Tap on Language to open the list of available languages. Now you'll see your current language displayed at the top. To change it, tap on it and you'll be able to search for or scroll through a long list of languages. Pick the language you want Google Drive and other Google services to use. Once you've selected your new language, confirm your choice. That's it. Google will automatically update your account's language settings. In just a few moments, you'll notice that Google Drive, along with other Google apps like Gmail and YouTube, will appear in your chosen language. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Remember, you can switch back or choose another language at any time by repeating these steps. This small change can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your Google experience feels. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Google Drive in your new language.